Hello everyone, welcome to another video from VerifyWise. In this one, we'll walk through the policy manager, where you author and version the written policies that back your AI governance program. It's the documentation layer every EU AI Act and ISO 42001 auditor will ask to see. On the policy manager page, you'll see the two tabs at the top, organization policies and policy templates. Organization policies is where your live use in use catalogs live, and policy templates, which is a library of pre-built policies you can adopt in one click. The status cards up top give a quick pulse of where everything stands: total, draft, under, review, approved, published, and so on. VerifyWise gives you two ways to add a policy: adopt one from the templates library or create a new one from scratch using the add new policy button. Let me show you both today. I'll start with the templates tab because it's the fastest way for most teams. Click on policy templates. You'll see 15 pre-built policies covering core AI governance, model lifecycle, data and security, and more. For this demo, I'll go with AI data use policy and simply click Save in Organization Policies while selecting a team member and setting a review date. It's that easy. With just one click, I've been able to import a policy directly into my organization's policy and use it. Now let's start with the scratch one. I'll click on Add New Policy. I'll select a policy title. I'll select myself as the member. I'll set some tags along with bias mitigation, human oversight, and the EUA Act. I'll set the review date as 29 and I'll keep it as a draft. I'll add in some rich text, so this serves as a body for our policy, and click on Save. Just one thing as well, you can obviously import any kind of policies that you have written for yourself by simply clicking on the import button, and I click on Save. Now over here you'll see that the policy is saved. I'll click back into it and click into linked objects. This is where policies become operational rather than just documents. Now over here you'll see two tabs, risk and evidence. I link it to the bias in AI resume screening risk and click on save. Now you notice just like that we just linked our policy to a risk. Now if an auditor asks which policy covers the risk, it's just one click away. In this section, we've shown you two ways to build policies in VerifyWise. Just one more thing as well. Assuming that you want to export your policy that you just created manually, you can just come over here and click on export, download as a PDF or as a Word. So in this section, we've covered two ways to build policies in VerifyWise: adopting from 15 pre-built templates or creating one from scratch with optional import, and how linking them to real risk and evidence turns static documents into operational governance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.